Välkommen till min julkalender 2024, lucka 6.
Well, this is special for everybody at the club. What a great moment for any young player. And this is what...
And now for the trophy lift itself. The cup winners. Full marks to the entire team, and now they get the chance to exhale and enjoy.
They've been brilliant in this competition, and so have the fans. They've really got behind their team. They've played a big part in this win. Just
under some pressure.
Vi ses nästa dag.
Gör lite längre mellan då.
Vill du göra en sån här apelsin?
Nej, det är bra.
Det är bra. Ja.